Well, it's looking good. Not only is there a really good blood trail, I can see where he dropped. He's right here. I think he died pretty quickly after the shot. I watched him run down here. He ran down this hill behind me. There's blood all the way along the way, big blood spots. And I'm just walking up on him, and I am just crazy excited. Look at this. Oh, that's DIY, solo, public land, Montana, bull elk hunting. That's what you can expect if you put your time in. Like I said, I've been up and down this mountain, straight up. It's 1,000 feet up. I drive from my camp a few miles on an ATV, take a little trail off, then do this big hike in the morning. It usually takes me a little over an hour, hour and a half to get up into here. Then I got to dry off from all the sweat, because it is hot. I mean, it's not hot right now, but you're just sweating hot. And then I take off from hunting there. And then you may drop 500, 600 feet and then have to come back 500, 600 feet. And then it's straight down 1,000 feet and just tearing your feet up. My feet are all taped up right now. The Matthews Triax. This is his first kill for the year. Let's take a look at this. I put my bow down. Look at that. A big, mature 6x6. Great G. 1, 2, 3, 4s. Oh, look at this. Public land, do-it-yourself elk hunting. This is what you can expect. On some years, last year I actually got burnt. I was on some giant bulls, up to 400 on one of them, I figure. This bull here, he won't go quite 400, but on the Kayser scale, he's definitely way over 400, and a Boone and Crockett. Again, that's the Kayser scale. I am just beat up. Like I said, it's been a tough 6-7 days here of hunting in Montana, putting in a lot of miles, but it's the persistence that pays off. Take your time, try to find a good area, and then tear your body apart. I got this thing down. Now, I really do wish I wasn't solo, but I am. Oh, thank you, Lord. That there is a big job I am ready to tackle.